Imagine getting latest AI news in your email every day. This is possible through a lot of options that are available. I have discussed the previous option using ChatGPT as well, where you can schedule, but today I want to focus a little bit about Manus. The prompt you need to go, if you go to this particular thing, if you go to your setting account in Manus, you go to your setting, you will be seeing this particular scheduled task option here. So for scheduled task, I will do new task. Then I will write the prompt that I have written in details about newsletters that are there. I want to capture 4 or 6 key stories that are there, and I want to repeat this. So you want to repeat this. So I have written like this from the past 6 days, including today, that are valuable for decoding data science and AI community. Summarize 4 to 6 stories in a clear, concise manner. So you will do this particular thing that is there. You want to convert this to daily. Also, you can do this daily just to show the aspects of this in the last 2 days. Because sometimes what happens that the news is released a little bit later and the AI is not able to get everything. So I will just say from the past 2 days. And summarize this, and so whatever you want to have in details, I will do that. So what I can do is does not repeat, or I will mention repeat weekly just to show how it works. Every Monday around 9 o'clock, I want this. I want this to happen. So when I do this, I have to write the title as well. So title I will write AI newsletter. Newsletter summary. You want to do it weekly, you want to do it daily. I think weekly for now is nice, just to get an idea. Let me just make it here past 6 days then, so that I get the whole week. Summarize, I will increase the number here, 6 to 8, and then okay. So now I'll just save this. So now this is saved, this is enabled. So every morning, Monday 9 a.m. it is going to go and it is going to get the information that is there and get the output. So how is it going to get the output for people to get an idea? If I just go to Manus, so every that particular day, this particular code is going to run, search and create. So this is going to we will see right now I have 4,608 credits. It is going to take an amount of credit. So make sure that this is something that you have budgeted for in your work. So right now you can see it is thinking. And it is the good thing about Manus, just like ChatGPT research, it goes and searches different tools and gets the information. But I want to see how this is getting done in Manus. And one thing that also Manus can do for you is it can create a virtual website as well with this news as well. So if you want to do an interactive website with the latest news and the details, you can do that as well using Manus. So if you can see, this is something that is happening. Before you schedule something, at least try to run it once on your Manus agent that I am doing right now. And this is going to take some time. You need to just be a little bit patient, and when it is done, I will be resuming the recording. It took some time to think about this particular prompt that I had given, and after that if you can see it broken down this thing into 4 different steps. Search for recent AI news, browse and analyze key articles from the search result, curate and summarize the 4 to 6 key stories, and deliver the formatted newsletter content to the user. So now it is going to different websites. As you can see, it is searching for AI news. It is picking up some information that is there. And the best thing about this is it is opening the browser, looking at the browser and doing it. And this is going to take a lot of, so some cases, if you can see, it is asking for verification. So New York Times website requires can you see this? The New York website requires a human verification. Would you like to take over the browser to complete this, or should I try? So let me just try to take this. So what it is asking, let me take control. So now it is asking me to, it's asking a human. So this is the power of Manus. So it is asking a human to giving the control. So I give the control here, and now you have been blocked. You are a robot. So you have been blocked from the, okay, so New York Times does not allow you to scrape so well. So I will just say try another website. Summarize the browser action. So try another browser, another website, as NY Times is blocking me. So continue chat. So I have mentioned that thing, try another website as NY Times is blocking me. Okay, so it is taking, I am going to another website now. So it has gone to another website and now it is doing its task. So this is the power of this particular thing. So and New York Times is blocking all the request that is coming from Manus computer. So you saw that option that has come, and even though I did a human control, still it gave us an error that is there. So this is the something that we need to look at as well. So now if you can see, it is viewing in browser. I will resume once we have something ready to show all of you. So this is the way things work. I think you need to be a little bit active. If you are if it gets stops like this, you need to make sure that you put in the prompt. If you feel that a website is blocking you, please stop that and try another website. I will not be there to control if it is a scheduled post. After running for some time, it has created something here. If you can see, it has created the whole newsletter structure with the source that is there. So we will compare it with the particular thing that is there. You can always make sure that you give rating so that you get some credits for your task, because this might have taken something that is there. Now so they have delivered the formatted, so you can download this into a Google Drive, or you can download as a markdown for now, or you can download as a Google Docs. I'm not sure whether how it is going to convert. So it is asking for access, so let us give the access. That is fine, I trust Manus. So it is converting into a Google Docs. That is better, so that if I want to edit or something, so I have something here. So this looks something nice. The only thing is that 4 to 6 I need more options of news. So what I will do is let me see this task. I was around 4,863. Every task that I do, I try to tell you how much I'm spending it as well, right? Not much. So if I go to credits, for this task I spent around 281 credits, which is like it's you cannot assume it to do it daily. But if I go to scheduled tasks, I want to get it weekly, and 6 to 8, but I'm not sure why it took 4 to 6 when I asked it 6 to 8. This is something that I need to look at it. So maybe I did not copy properly. Summarize objective, okay. Maybe I did not put properly, but anyways, that is fine. This was just a demo for you to have a look at how things work. So do practice this, and thank you for watching, and try to use both of them. You saw how it works, Manus as well as you can compare both of the outputs. Both look almost the similar, but you need to just, I gave you an option to do it. If you have an OpenAI Plus membership, then you can continue it in OpenAI, because the OpenAI one that is there is also the one that is there in OpenAI is also the output that has come is relatively good as well. So if I want to schedule news scrapping, so I have got this news, ChatGPT becomes a fully fledged. So I have got the whole thing that is here. So they gave me the OpenAI news. Here it did not give me about the operator. So yeah, it gave me the operator news as well. It gave the source. So for me it looks both the same. So you need to figure out what you need to do in your particular thing. So for me also it gave out around 6 news articles, and if I say a comparison, both did the same. This gives you more limit because I am already a Plus member here. Manus I am not, so I am managing with credit. So thank you very much, and do choose your tools and do your this is a good way to start getting latest updates. I have done weekly once. You can daily is becomes too much. I don't want to waste 300 approximately credits every day, I will lose out on doing other work for my job. Thank you very much and see you in the next